What up, YouTube? Cammy Broken's Locs back again with a quick video. Just wanted to share something with y'all that I found on my heart today. And what it is that there's one thing that could be, I'd say, thinning your locks. I feel as though after 10 years of having locks, I feel as though this is the reason why it is that my hair is still as thick as it was the day that I started. Really two reasons, actually. So I'm not going to beat around the bush or anything. I'm going to give it to y'all straight. And if you guys do find this helpful, please feel free to like this video and subscribe if you want to. The biggest secret that could save your locks is getting fewer retwists. Now, I know there's a lot of y'all that don't like to hear that, but it is what it is. You know, I would say I probably get a retwist maybe between 4 to 6 times per year. I'm not a freeform. I'm not a semi-freeform. I don't even know if that's still a thing that's in the discussion. That's not my thing, but you know, for me, that's what works. That's what keeps my hair thick. It gives my hair a chance to recover. I wouldn't call myself tender-headed anymore because, you know, I can do a retwist on myself even and be perfectly fine. But getting these retwists every 2 weeks, I would say that's far too much. Getting one every month, that's like sitting right on the edge of like too much and just right. At least every 6 weeks to 2 months, I would say, is ideal if you want to keep up the aesthetic of your locks. Getting them styled, even like any kind of like braiding style or anything that holds the parts down, will extend the life of the retwist itself. If you're getting retwists that are just, you know, retwists and the hair is loose, for me personally, I work out, I sweat, so that doesn't last me very long at all. And the second thing that will keep your locks, your crown, everything growing in thick is proper moisturization. There's a such thing as too much moisturization. And what do I mean by that? I mean that I have one routine that I'll do often, and I have one routine that I'll do every now and then. They're very simple routines. The more complicated one only involves 2 things: a spray bottle with some water and some Nature's Blessings pomade. I spray my hair down and then I try to get to the scalp first, rub it all through. That's it. That's my big moisturization, but I don't do that super often because you don't want to clog the follicles. You don't want to introduce too much buildup into the follicles because that could inhibit hair growth. That could hurt it more than it could help it. And the second thing is olive oil sheen. This is the one that I use more regularly, and in combination with the water, a quick spritz and then spritz here and then I'm out. And this is even far less buildup. I might switch to something a bit more natural, a little less aerosol-y, but for the moment, this is a great daily hair moisturizer. As you can see, my hair is, the thickness of my hair and my scalp has not changed from the day that I started. If anything, it's probably gotten better. So yeah, those are my secrets. I want to help everybody stay on this journey for as long as they can. And if I can play a small role in that, I will. Let me know how I can help. Till next time, peace.